Okay, so ito na po yung last topic ng grade 10 Mathematics second quarter, which is the finding the center and the radius of a circle given the equation. So kapag ang binigay na equation is standard form, papalitan nyo lang yung sign na nasa parentheses and then get the square root of the radius. And then kapag ang binigay naman is the general equation, kailangan mo pang i-transform into um, standard form. So, para mas maintindihan nyo pa, let us have an example. Okay, so itong madali muna, x squared plus y squared is equals to 64. So, kapag ang ganyan ang equation or the formula, sabi ko po sa inyo, that is formula for the origin or 0, 0. So, meaning our center is 0, 0. And a radius. Para makuha yung radius, get the square root of 64. So that is 8. So that is the final answer. Diba? Next. Next example, we have x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equals to 20. So this is formula for the standard form with the center of h and k. So kapag ang formula is ganito, meaning may value na, hindi na siya origin. So para makuha nyo po yung center, we have c. C is represented by the center. And then kung ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is ito. Ito kasi yung h natin, di ba? So, kapag yan ay positive 1, dito sa loob ng comma is negative 1. And then, dito naman sa k, kung ito ay negative 2, magiging positive 2. Okay po. So, yan na po yung center. So, ano yung radius natin? So, get the square root of 20. So, the square root of 20, hindi po yan. So, we need to get the factors of 20 that yung isang number is perfect square. So, that is 4 times 5. Okay po. And the square root of 4 is 2. And then copy the square root of 5. So, the radius is 2 square root of 5. So, that is the final answer. Napakadali lang, di ba? Next example, general equation naman. Okay, so last example, we have x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y plus 18 is equals to 0. So this is an example of general equation or general form of the equation of the circle. So, i-apply na natin dito si completing the square para yung trinomial ay maging perfect square trinomial. So, para lang to yung nagsosolve tayo ng quadratic equation ng grade 9. So, completing the square, yun po yung kakalahatiin mo yung middle term and then square. Okay po, so first ay pagsasama-samahin natin yung may magkakamukhang variable. So, mauuna si x squared and then yung partner ng x squared is negative 6x since pareha sila ng variable. And then, mag-iwan kayo ng line dyan. And then, parenthesis mo muna. Plus, dito naman, yung y squared naman, y squared and then yung kapartner ng y squared is negative 10y. So, and then, plus. And then, mag-iwan din kayo ng line. And then, dito naman, ito-transpose naman dito si negative 18 sa kabila. So, magiging negative 18. Okay po. And then, maglalagay din kayo ng dalawang line dyan. Okay po. Kasi kung ano yung i-add nyo dito, i-add nyo rin dito sa kabila. Okay po. So, ano ba yung ilalagay natin dyan? Dito na natin i-apply si completing the square. So, paano ba yon? Titingin kayo sa middle term. So, kakalahatiin nyo lang yan. Negative 6 divides 2, that is negative 3. And then, square nyo yon. Negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Okay po. Dito naman. So, kalahati ng negative 10 divides 2, that is negative 5. And then square, negative 5 times negative 5, it will become positive 25. So, kung ano yung i-add nyo dito, i-add nyo rin dito sa kabila. So, we have 9 and 25. Okay po. Now, this is an example of perfect square trinomial. So, we are going to transform this to trinomial into square of binomial. So, we have copy the variable being used and then kung ano yung sign ng middle term, yun yung ilalagay natin. And then kalahatiin nyo, 6 divides 2, that is 3. And then don't forget to write the square. Plus, dito naman, kung ano yung variable na ginamit, yung ilalagay nyo, y. And then kung ano yung sign ng middle term, yun yung ilalagay nyo. And kalahatiin nyo lang yung 10. 10 divides 2, that is 5. And don't forget to write the squared. Is equals to, dito naman, negative 18 plus 9 plus 25. What is the answer? So that is positive 16. So negative 18 plus 9 plus 25, that is positive 16. So this is an example of standard form na transform natin from general equation to standard form. So ito yung h natin, ito yung k natin, ito yung radius. So kung ang nasa parenthesis is negative 3, so magiging positive 3. Okay po, kung dito naman is negative 5, sa center naman magiging positive 5. And our radius, square root of 16, that is 4. So ito na po yung center natin and yung radius. Okay po. So I hope that you learned something. Thank you for watching.